For too long, outdoor cooking meant little more than burning hot dogs on a disposable grill or spooning lukewarm stew from a dented mess kit. But the modern era of overlanding, car camping, and tailgating has ushered in a revolution in portable culinary hardware. Today's portable camp kitchens are feats of engineering, collapsible, lightweight, and packed with features that rival indoor setups. From integrated sinks and bamboo butcher blocks to dual burner stoves that fit in a briefcase, these 8 systems redefine what it means to cook under an open sky. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time van lifer, this countdown will guide you through the most innovative, durable, and cleverly designed camp kitchens on the market. Let's begin with number 8, a rugged classic that balances size and functionality, and work our way to the ultimate game changer at number 1. Each entry highlights specific features, build quality, and a unique cooking experience it enables. Prepare to elevate your campsite cuisine from survival mode to gourmet getaway. Number 8, the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station. The GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station earns the 8th spot on our list because it masterfully solves the most annoying problem of outdoor meal prep: lack of counter space. When packed flat, this unit measures just 5 inches thick, sliding effortlessly behind a truck seat or under a sleeping bag. But once unfolded, it transforms into a sprawling 42-inch long workstation with a heat-resistant, ventilated tabletop designed to hold a 2-burner stove without overheating the side tables. The setup takes less than 10 seconds. No tools, no cursing at bent tent poles. What makes the Slim Fold truly redefine outdoor cooking is its thoughtful accessory integration. 2 mesh side tables provide drying space for washed utensils, while 4 built-in utensil hooks keep spatulas and tongs within arm's reach. Below the main surface, a durable storage shelf holds pots, pans, and even a small cooler. The entire structure is rated for 50 pounds of distributed weight, meaning you can confidently sear a cast iron skillet of steaks without wobbling. Campers praise the aluminum frame for resisting rust after accidental rain exposure, and the polyester carry bag includes padded straps for comfortable hauling to remote sites. Unlike flimsy folding tables that bounce with every chop, the Slim Fold's locking legs create a rock-solid platform. For groups of 4 to 6 people, this kitchen provides enough real estate to simultaneously boil pasta, sauté vegetables, and assemble burgers. Downsides: it lacks a built-in sink or wind guards, and the 19-pound weight is moderate but not ultralight. Still, for car campers who prioritize stability and organization, the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station turns a chaotic tailgate into a serene outdoor kitchen. It proves you don't need a $1,000 setup to cook like a pro, just smart design and sturdy materials. Number 7, the Camp Chef Everest 2X Stove with Folding Stand. Moving from a pure workstation to a complete cooking powerhouse, number 7 is the Camp Chef Everest 2X Stove when paired with its optional folding stand, a combination that redefines heat output and portability. The Everest 2X alone is already legendary among campers for delivering 20,000 BTUs per burner, enough to boil a liter of water in under 3 minutes, even in windy conditions. But strap it onto Camp Chef's lightweight aluminum folding stand, and you have a self-contained, waist-high kitchen that sets up in 30 seconds. The stand collapses into a compact 24-inch by 16-inch rectangle, weighing just 8 pounds, yet it holds up to 100 pounds safely. What pushes this combo to number 7 is the integrated matchless ignition system, which sparks every time without fail, and the recessed burner bowls that shield flames from crosswinds. The stove's stainless steel drip tray catches grease and crumb debris, making post-meal cleanup a simple wipe down. For serious outdoor chefs, the Everest 2X offers precise simmer control, not just high output roaring, so you can melt chocolate for esmores or slow-cook beans without scorching. The stand features adjustable leg heights to level the kitchen on uneven ground, plus rubber feet that prevent sinking into soft dirt. On the sides, the stand includes a detachable paper towel holder and 2 small prep trays, though these are less spacious than a full table. Many overlanders pair this setup with a folding sink bowl and a cutting board that slides under the stove's legs for stability. The one drawback is the absence of wind shields on the stand itself, so in gusty alpine environments you may need to rig an improvised barrier. Nevertheless, the Camp Chef Everest 2X with stand delivers restaurant-grade heat and rugged simplicity. It's ideal for groups who cook big meals, think chili, pancakes, or stir-fry, without wanting a bulky chuck box. This kitchen redefines outdoor cooking by proving that raw power and portability can coexist beautifully. Number 6. The Snow Peak Baja Burner Set. Number 5. The Outlery Field Kitchen Bundle. Our countdown takes a completely different approach. Instead of a large table or stove system, the Outlery Field Kitchen Bundle redefines outdoor cooking through ultra-organized, pocket-sized completeness. This kit is built around a surprisingly capable 7,500 BTU folding stove that uses solid fuel tablets or small twigs. Yes, you can boil water with sticks. But the genius lies in the bundle's accessories. The entire kitchen packs into a waterproof tin the size of a thick sandwich, measuring 6 inches by 4 inches by 1.5 inches. Inside, you get the stove base, a folding titanium pot stand, a telescoping spork, a miniature scraper, a Fresnel lens for emergency fire starting, and a 500 milliliter stainless steel cup that doubles as a cooking pot. Everything fits with millimeter precision, leaving no wasted space. What redefines outdoor cooking here is the philosophy of zero deadweight. Traditional camp kitchens force you to choose between carrying extras or going hungry. The Outlery bundle ensures you have flame, vessel, and eating tool all in one pocket. The stove itself, called the Wood Burner 2.0, uses a double wall design that creates secondary combustion, producing a nearly smokeless, intense flame from thumb-sized twigs. You can boil water in 5 minutes without carrying a single drop of liquid fuel. For longer trips, the solid fuel tabs, 6 included, provide backup when wood is wet. The titanium cup nests perfectly, and its folding handles lock securely, preventing scalded fingers. Reviewers have cooked everything from ramen and oatmeal to scrambled eggs, using a tiny folding spatula also available separately, and even baked a mini biscuit by placing the cup inside a larger pot as an oven. The biggest limitation is capacity. You are cooking for 1, maybe 2 very patient people. Also, the twig burning method requires constant feeding, so it's not set and forget. Nevertheless, for ultralight backpackers, emergency kits, or bike campers, the Outlery Field Kitchen Bundle is revolutionary. It redefines outdoor cooking by proving that the best kitchen is the one you actually carry, not the one you leave in the garage because it's too heavy. Number 5. The Outlery Field Kitchen Bundle. Our countdown takes a completely different approach. Instead of a large table or stove system, the Outlery Field Kitchen Bundle redefines outdoor cooking through ultra-organized, pocket-sized completeness. This kit is built around a surprisingly capable 7,500 BTU folding stove that uses solid fuel tablets or small twigs. Yes, you can boil water with sticks. But the genius lies in the bundle's accessories. The entire kitchen packs into a waterproof tin the size of a thick sandwich, measuring 6 inches by 4 inches by 1.5 inches. Inside, you get the stove base, a folding titanium pot stand, a telescoping spork, a miniature scraper, a Fresnel lens for emergency fire starting, and a 500 milliliter stainless steel cup that doubles as a cooking pot. Everything fits with millimeter precision, leaving no wasted space. What redefines outdoor cooking here is the philosophy of zero deadweight. Traditional camp kitchens force you to choose between carrying extras or going hungry. The Outlery bundle ensures you have flame, vessel, and eating tool all in one pocket. The stove itself, called the Wood Burner 2.0, uses a double wall design that creates secondary combustion, producing a nearly smokeless, intense flame from thumb-sized twigs. You can boil water in 5 minutes without carrying a single drop of liquid fuel. For longer trips, the solid fuel tabs, 6 included, provide backup when wood is wet. The titanium cup nests perfectly, and its folding handles lock securely, preventing scalded fingers. Reviewers have cooked everything from ramen and oatmeal to scrambled eggs, using a tiny folding spatula also available separately, and even baked a mini biscuit by placing the cup inside a larger pot as an oven. The biggest limitation is capacity. You are cooking for 1, maybe 2 very patient people. Also, the twig burning method requires constant feeding, so it's not set and forget. Nevertheless, for ultralight backpackers, emergency kits, or bike campers, the Outlery Field Kitchen Bundle is revolutionary. It redefines outdoor cooking by proving that the best kitchen is the one you actually carry, not the one you leave in the garage because it's too heavy. Number 4. The Trekology Portable Camping Kitchen Table. The Trekology Portable Camping Kitchen Table takes the slim fold concept and elevates it with smart storage and a shockingly low weight of just 7.5 pounds. When collapsed, This table resembles a large laptop bag at 23 inches by 16 inches by 2 inches, fitting inside most backpacks' main compartments. But unfolded, and you get a 32-inch long by 18-inch wide aluminum slat surface that supports 110 pounds. Enough for a full stove, a cast iron pan, and a heavy cooler underneath on the dedicated shelf. What truly redefines outdoor cooking is Trekology's integrated roll-up storage panel. Sewn into the carry bag is a nylon organizer with elastic loops for knives, spices, lighters, and a small cutting board. Unroll the bag, clip it to the side of the table via carabiners, and suddenly you have a vertical spice rack and utensil holder that keeps everything off the ground. No more digging through a duffel for the salt shaker while your eggs burn. The table's legs feature push-button height adjustment with 5 settings, ranging from 12 inches, perfect for seated cooking, to 24 inches, standing prep. Each leg ends in a wide, mud-proof foot that doesn't sink into sand or grass. For stability, cross-bracing cables lock the legs in a triangulated stance, eliminating wobble even when chopping onions vigorously. The aluminum slats are spaced with 2 mm gaps, allowing water, dirt, and crumbs to fall through rather than accumulate. On top of this, you can place any camp stove or simply use the heat-resistant slats themselves for placing hot pots directly from the fire. Campers love that the entire kit includes a detachable side table, 12 inches by 16 inches, that clips onto the main frame, providing additional prep space for raw meat or vegetables. The only negative is the lack of a built-in windscreen, though many users clip a small folding wind panel to the table's edge. For families who car camp on weekends, the Trekology portable camping kitchen table delivers pro-level organization without bulk. It redefines outdoor cooking by showing that convenience and compactness need not be enemies. They could be best friends. Number 3. The Dometic Go Compact Camp Kitchen. The Dometic Go Compact Camp Kitchen is a sleek, hard-case system that redefines outdoor cooking through military-grade durability and everything in its place nesting design. Unlike soft-sided folders, Dometic uses an injection molded polymer shell that measures 23 inches by 17 inches by 7 inches when closed, resembling a small suitcase. The shell is waterproof, dustproof, and virtually crush-proof, rated to survive a drop from 4 feet onto concrete. Inside, the kitchen unfolds like origami. Unclip 4 latches, lift the lid, and the interior reveals a 2-burner propane stove, 10,000 BTUs per burner, a fold-out bamboo cutting board, a utensil organizer with elastic straps for 6 tools, a sink basin made from food-grade silicone, and a detachable paper towel holder. The stove runs on any standard 16-ounce propane canister, which stores inside a dedicated recess next to the burner assembly. Setup takes under 60 seconds and requires no assembly. Just flip out the legs, screw in the propane, and ignite. What elevates the Dometic Go to top 3 status is the integrated sink system. The silicone basin holds 2.5 gallons of water and clips onto the side of the main unit, with a drain hose that channels gray water into a collapsible bucket below. This means you can wash dishes, rinse vegetables, and clean your hands without leaving the kitchen footprint. The bamboo cutting board sits flush over the burners when not in use, doubling as extra counter space. For storage, the lid itself becomes a hanging spice rack via built-in mesh pockets. At 22 pounds, this is not ultralight, but the suitcase design makes carrying easy via a telescoping handle and wheels. Yes, it rolls like luggage. The only drawbacks are the stove's moderate BTUs, slower boil than a Camp Chef, and the lack of a built-in wind guard. Still, for family car campers, tailgaters, and overlanders with rooftop tents, the Dometic Go delivers the closest thing to a home kitchen that fits in a car trunk. It redefines outdoor cooking by proving that a premium, all-in-one solution can be both rugged and refined. Number 2. The Teton Sports Mountain Series Camp Kitchen. Silver goes to the Teton Sports Mountain Series Camp Kitchen, a beast of a system that redefines outdoor cooking for large groups and long-term expeditions. Unlike compact units, this kitchen is designed to replace a full chuck box and folding table with one integrated aluminum frame that sets up in 90 seconds. When collapsed, it measures 32 inches by 22 inches by 6 inches and weighs 28 pounds, heavy but manageable for 2 people. Once deployed, it expands into a 3-tier workstation, a top heat-resistant surface, 28 by 20 inches, 4 stoves, a middle shelf for pots and pans, and a bottom reinforced shelf for a 48-quart cooler. On each side, folding wings add another 12 inches of prep space, bringing total counter area to nearly 8 square feet. What pushes this to near number 1 status is the abundance of included accessories. 2 detachable utensil hooks, a locking knife storage slot with safety guard, 4 spice racks with clear shakers, a cutting board that slides under the main surface, and a mesh drying rack for dishes. All of these store inside the main frame when collapsed, so nothing gets forgotten at home. The standout feature is the integrated wind wall, a foldable aluminum panel that wraps around 3 sides of the cooking surface, reducing flame blowout in 25 miles per hour gusts. For cold weather campers, this is a game changer. Additionally, the legs have oversized snow feet and can be extended to 36 inches, allowing tall cooks to work without back strain. The frame uses aircraft-grade aluminum rivets and stainless steel hardware, ensuring no rust after repeated rain exposure. Campers have used the Teton sports kitchen for 2-week hunts, scout troops of 12, and even as a temporary outdoor kitchen during home renovations. The only downsides are the weight. 28 pounds is no joke for backpacking, and the absence of a built-in sink, though the mesh drying rack can double as a basin with a separate bowl. For base camp chefs who refuse to compromise on organization or stability, the Teton Sports Mountain Series is a revelation. It redefines outdoor cooking by treating the campsite kitchen as a serious workspace, not an afterthought. Number 1. The Snow Peak IGT Iron Grill Table 3-unit frame. The Snow Peak IGT Iron Grill Table 3-unit frame is not just a camp kitchen. It is a complete modular ecosystem that fundamentally redefines outdoor cooking for purists and professionals alike. Unlike every other kitchen on this list, the IGT system is fully customizable. You start with the 3-unit frame, a collapsible aluminum table measuring 34 inches long by 16 inches wide, with 4 telescoping legs that adjust from 13 to 31 inches. The units refer to standardized 8-inch slots into which you can slide any of Snow Peak's dozens of compatible modules. Swap in a dual-burner stove, 2 units, a bamboo cutting board, 1 unit, a stainless steel sink with drain, 1 unit, a grill grate, 1 unit, a coffee drip stand, a wine cooler, or even a cast iron griddle. Need to cook for 8 people? Buy a second frame and connect them side by side via included joining brackets. The system collapses into a flat package just 3 inches thick, and each module nests inside the others for storage. What makes this the undisputed champion is the combination of Japanese craftsmanship, infinite expandability, and ritualistic cooking experience. The frame is laser-cut from anodized aluminum, with 0 plastic parts. Legs lock with cam levers that feel like luxury car door latches. The bamboo cutting board modules are sustainably sourced and treated with food-safe oil. Camp chefs who use the IGT report that the act of cooking becomes meditative. You arrange your modules, light the small but powerful Baja burner, sold separately, and prepare multi-course meals with the same flow as an indoor kitchen. The sink module connects to a 5-gallon water jug via a hand pump, giving you running water at the twist of a valve. For cold nights, an optional radiant heater module slides in to warm your feet. The only downsides are the price. A basic 3-unit frame with 2 modules exceeds $500, and a full setup can run over $1,000, and the need to purchase modules individually. However, for overlanders, van lifers, and backcountry gourmets who view cooking as an art, the Snow Peak IGT is the last camp kitchen you'll ever buy. It redefines outdoor cooking by treating it not as a compromise, but as an elevation. A beautiful, functional, infinitely adaptable stage for culinary creativity under the open sky.